Hello guys, fairbinaryoptions.com here, and we are looking at the Euro and Japanese yen 1 hour chart. The reason for that, of course, is a pattern that everybody is looking at, and this pattern is an inverse head and shoulder. Now, it is an inverse head and shoulder, and how to treat such a pattern? Well, first of all, you need to identify the neckline or the potential neckline, and the potential neckline in our case seems to be either like this or like this. We will say that it's something like this. Let me change the color for it, and also let me make it a bit more visible for us, like this. And of course, it should go something like that. Now, this is the first thing to take into consideration when you trade a head and shoulder or an inverse head and shoulder. We also had an educational material on our Binary Options Academy on the website. If you go on the fairbinaryoptions.com, we also had 2 recordings in which we are explaining how to treat and how to trade such a pattern. Well, this is the case of such a pattern in front of our eyes. So basically, what we are looking for is to clone this neckline after we have it, look at the amplitude on the left side, and project it on the right side. And therefore, you will see that based on this amplitude, this trend line here gave us all week entries for trading binary options. Now this is the 1 hour chart, so expiration dates like end of day expiration date would always find this in profit. Now the logical thing to do is to try to do the same here on this Friday, and I will take a bit of a chance. This is 141.97, but I would still like to buy call options here and now based on this one, because prior to the measure move that we should look for in such a pattern, the measure move should go something like that. So prior to that measure move, price needs to go to the neckline first, correct? So this is mandatory price to try for the neckline first, and the first thing to be that. So this will be the target, if I may say so. This is only the 1 hour chart. So going into next week, we will look for the actual neckline to be broken, ideally to be retested, and then to engage into buying the options. But anyways, for this moment of time, again, we like to buy call options. So buying call options with end of day expiration date right here, right now. Now end of day usually means by the time the New York is going to be closed, somewhere around 21 GMT. So end of the expiration date right here, right now, price it is on the Euro Japanese yen 141.99, so almost 142, and that would be our recommendation. Now it depends very much on the broker that you are trading with and the time zone that you are living in. I'm trading with lionknife.com, and this is the expiration date I'm choosing for this option. Remember, when you buy call options, you look for price at the expiration date to be bigger than the striking price, and when you buy put options, you look for price at the expiration date to be actually lower than the striking price. It is not the case here. We bought call options, and the reason for that was that we measure the amplitude on the left shoulder here. So this is the left shoulder, and we project that outcome on the right shoulder, and by the time this projection of a neckline has been retested, normally this is a long a position that should be taken if you trade the regular currency market, or this is just a let's say possible place to buy call options. So thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and again, we are trading here with lionknife.com, which is also our sponsor. Bye bye.